Sounds like somebody's getting killed over there. It's a beautiful Tuesday afternoon. I'm out here just north of Watkins Glen, New York. This is the bottom of Seneca Lake. Unfortunately, I'm working, so this is not a, I guess you'd say, relaxing or pleasure visit, but still nice to be next to the lake for a little bit. Nice and clear over there. See some boats way down there, but yeah, it's a beautiful day. Beautiful summer day. And it's kind of hard to see. I can't zoom in anymore. There's a sailboat over there, and it looks like they're taking a cruise of the lake. Looks like a party barge way over there. Be a great day for it. See, they're way out there. But that breeze off the lake feels really good. It's awesomeness. I love me a good thunderstorm. Welcome to the Baldwinsville Truck Wash. It's free. Bring your own soap. And I don't have any soap. On the bright side, at least my windshield will be clean after this. Okay, the directions say 375 degrees. Remove pizzas from carton and plastic wrap, place on baking sheet. Of course, all the toppings fell off. Don't have that problem with the Stouffer's. Of course, got to redress everything here. This is dinner for tonight, by the way. Rearrange these because they all fell off. Okay, it says here Bake for 20 to 23 minutes until cheese melts and product is heated through. Let stand for 2 to 3 minutes before serving. Okay. Okay. I could do that. Let's see. Timer. See how it's not preheated yet? Yeah. Not preheated yet. It's been a long day. I'm going to put in for 25. This is dinner for the evening. Red Baron French bread pizzas. I normally do Stouffer's French bread frozen pizzas because they rule. But unfortunately, when I went shopping this past weekend, they didn't have any Stouffer's. So I have to settle for the Red Baron, which I've had before. They're decent. They're pretty good. Not bad. Or, you know, they're eatable. But Stouffer's is better. Well, that's all my camping gear packed up for the weekend. So I gotta go check out my pizzas. So the only thing that I have to do when I get out of work tomorrow is come home, throw my clothes and my food in the truck, fill up the coolers, stop and get a bag of ice, well, a couple bags of ice, and take care of the coolers, and then rolling out to Gilbert Lake State Park for the weekend. Looking forward to it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Oh yeah. Oh, those look awesome. They smell amazing. And that is not a shout out to my friend the Amazing, no matter what they think. They're just amazing smelling. I need to get out the finest china. That right there is the finest china I have for the finest French bread pizzas that I have this evening. And ta-da! Dinner is served. Okay, I'm going to let them sit for a minute, and then I'm going to eat them up and take a little trip off to Snoozeville. I got to be up at 2 in the morning to go to work. Cheers.